first session I had with Vivek, I was told how the state I was in with pre-diabetes is like years of build-up of my wrong lifestyle and food habits. And he gave the analogy of how it's an automobile that's started from one city to another, and if you want to reverse this, you got to give it a hard push to do a U-turn. And I expected that the initial push would be hard, but it wasn't. From day one, I found that it was pretty easy to switch. And I've realized that if you're smart about it and you don't get mentally set on you want to have your dosa, you want to have your idli, but say how do you work within their guidance and see what satisfies your taste palette. And that's what I've been able to do. The foods they give have by design so much more longer energy duration. It actually keeps you feeling great if you're able to find a way to stick to what they say, but find a way to make sure that you make it tasty for yourself. Again, because I don't live in Bangalore and I don't get the benefits of getting their food, I have to find a way to do it myself, which is why even if you live somewhere else, there's a way for you to adapt this. And I know that in their program, they promise that this can be reversed, and I know I have more or less reversed it, but this works so well for me that I see no reason not to continue to have the same principles going forward, and that's what I intend to do, because it's once you figure out a smart way to do it, you'll realize that this is the best way to live your life.